So here's an update on the arpha TEMU purchase smart lock. So I have it fully installed and it's fully working. So you can, this is the inside door, so, and this is the outside, so you have the mechanical key slot there, and then this is already set up for a PIN password, so it can lock and unlock using the PIN password already. And I have not set up the fingerprint, and right now I'm gonna show you the app control. So this is unlocked, and of course that's it, it opens up. So for the app, you are gonna download the TUYA Smart Life app. So Apple or Android phone, you can just type TUYA. You can allow notifications if you want to, or don't allow. And make sure you are already registered. I'm already registered because I have the TEMU doorbell. So this one, so once you've logged in, and it's already also set up for Bluetooth. So this is the BT Smart Lock. I will put out a video of connecting the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, but here you want to make sure that your local network and Bluetooth is turned on your phone, because they need to be connected to the smart lock to work. Then you're gonna allow TUYA to find devices on local networks. So you are gonna say yes or allow to that. And then you also will allow TUYA to find Bluetooth devices. So now that it's set up, if you ever want to use the app to open up, to unlock the door, aside from your mechanical key or your PIN password, this is it. You are going to the app and just click, hold the green button for a couple of seconds, 3 seconds to unlock it. There it is. And then you can then unlock by doing the same thing. So press it for more than 2 seconds. It doesn't work if just 1 second. So now it's locked. So that means the app is working. So now you've set up the TUYA app with your smart lock. And here's just a quick view of the app. From there you can change the settings if you want to. Right now it is set up to remote unlocking. So you would have to have that in green so you can control the door, the smart lock, through the app. So it has to be remote unlocking in green. There are other options there, but you can set it up the way you want to. There is a door lock alarm, which I will be showing as well, but you have that option. And also a family go home option. I'm gonna put it out separately, but this is the smart lock arpha TEMU purchase. And so far it works very well, and I've just installed the app and it's working too.